Today we're looking at broccoli raab. Broccoli raab is a fast-growing leafy green crop that you can grow in late summer or early spring, and in warmer climates you can grow it in winter. Also known as rapini, it's best known for the recipe Orecchieti con la cime de rapa, and this is a simple recipe, low cost, which is said to have originated in Puglia, and we'll quickly look at that recipe later in the video. What makes this such a great crop is that it will grow in the cooler months. Prepare the soil well, adding some aged cow manure and some organic type fertiliser if needed. These are the seeds, and all you need to do is to make just a little hole and then drop in a seed. And we'll do that all around this container. The seeds are small, so if you end up putting too many seeds in the one spot, remember you can always thin them out later on. Once you've sown the seed, just cover them up lightly. Water the seeds in with a watering wand like this, or a watering can. Using a watering wand gives a soft flow of water so you don't wash the seeds away. The seeds should germinate in around 14 days, and in around 20 to 40 days you can start harvesting the leaves. You can use a liquid fertiliser during this time to help promote growth. Broccoli raab will set florets like this, and if you wish you can leave the plants until they do so, or you can harvest leaves at any time. Make sure you do harvest the florets before they open too much, and certainly before they turn yellow, as they can become a little bitter. The smaller leaf stalks and the leaves and the florets can be blanched for 3 to 4 minutes, and then they're ready to eat. The larger stalks can also be eaten, however we find them a little too fibrous and bitter for our liking. Use the greens from broccoli raab or rapini in stir fries or in any dish where greens are required, or cook that classic Orecchieti con la cime de rapa. Here are the ingredients. It's very easy and quick to cook. You can vary the ingredients as you wish, adding more or less anchovies, and the same with the garlic, but make sure you do sprinkle that breadcrumb mix with garlic, olive oil and salt, or a panna grattato over the top, because that makes the recipe. When the crop's finished, you can dig the leftover plants back into the soil, or you can put them in the compost. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for regular updates on a whole range of vegetables and indeed a whole range of garden plants. And as always, good luck with your gardening.